In this session, you can learn how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix and a 4 by 4 matrix. First, let's see how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. This is our 3 by 3 example matrix. Let's find the determinants of this matrix. You can choose any row of the matrix. Here, I will select the first row. Then select the first number of the first row. So in this case, the first number of the first row is 3. Then draw horizontal and vertical lines like this from number 3. After drawing these horizontal and vertical lines, you can see 4 numbers remains. Then create a 2 by 2 matrix using these 4 numbers like this. This matrix should be multiplied by the first number of the first row and again multiply it by the negative 1 squared. So I will write it like this. 3, then new matrix, then a negative 1 squared. Now move on to the second number of the first row. Then draw a horizontal line and a vertical line like this. So the remaining numbers are 2, 5, 2 and 1. Then create a new matrix like this. After that, again like the previously, you can create new matrix and again new matrix multiply by the second number of the first row, then again multiplied by the negative 1 cubed. Then I will put it like this, plus minus 1, then new matrix, then negative 1 cubed. Now again move on to the third number of the first row, that is 3. And again create horizontal and vertical line like this, and so remaining numbers are 2, 4, 2 and minus 5. You can create new 2 by 2 matrix using these 4 numbers, then multiplied new matrix by 3 and then again negative 1 to the 4th power. I will put it these numbers like this, plus 3, then new matrix, then negative 1 to the 4th power. Now what we have to do is solve this equation. Let's solve this one first. 3 times the determinant of the matrix with element 4, 5, negative 5 and 1. To find the determinant, multiply 4 by 1, then subtract the product of negative 5 and 5. This gives us 3 times the quantity of 4 minus negative 25. Simplifying, we have 3 times the quantity of 4 plus 25, which equals 3 times 29. And finally, 3 times 29 equals 87. Now solve this one. Negative 1 times the determinant of the matrix with element 2, 5, 2 and 1. To find the determinant, multiply 2 by 1, then subtract the product of 2 and 5. This gives us negative 1 times the quantity of 2 minus 10. Simplifying, we have negative 1 times negative 8, which equal 8. Let's solve this one now. 3 times the determinant of the matrix with element 2, 4, 2 and negative 5. To find the determinant, multiply 2 by negative 5, then subtract the product of 2 and 4. This gives us 3 times the quantity of negative 10 minus 8. Simplifying, we have 3 times negative 18, which equal negative 54. Finally, determinant of our 3 by 3 matrix equal 87 minus 8 plus negative 54. So the final answer is 25. Let's see how to find the determinant of a 4 by 4 matrix. This is our example 4 by 4 matrix. I will label it as A matrix. Then select any row as previously explained. You can choose any row. First row, second row, third row or fourth row. In this case, I will choose the first row. Then select the first number in the first row because I choose first row. If you choose second row, then you have to select the first number in the second row. Then draw a horizontal line and a vertical line like this. So 9 numbers are remaining. Don't change the position of these 9 numbers. What you have to do is create new 3 by 3 matrix using these remaining 9 numbers without changing their position. So I will label our new 3 by 3 matrix as M11. Now select the second number of the first row and draw a horizontal and vertical line like this. So again, 9 numbers are remaining. Create again new 3 by 3 matrix. I will label it as M12. Then again, select third number of the first row and draw horizontal line and vertical line. Then again, 9 numbers are remaining. Create 3 by 3 matrix and I will label it as 1M13. Then finally, select fourth number of the first row and draw a horizontal and vertical line like this. And again, 9 numbers are remaining. Create new 3 by 3 matrix. So I will label it as M14. Now I am going to create the formula for finding the determinants of a 4 by 4 matrix. This is the formula for finding determinant of matrix A. Put the first number of the first row, then multiplied it by determinant of M11 matrix. Again multiplied it by -1 squared. Plus, put the second number of the first row, multiplied it by determinant of M12 matrix. Multiplied it again -1 cubed. Plus, then put third number of the first row, multiplied it by determinant of M13 matrix, again multiplied it by -1 for the fourth power. Plus, add fourth number of first row, multiplied it by determinant of M14 matrix, multiplied it again by -1 for the fifth power. So the final formula is equal to multiplied determinant of M11 matrix minus 3 multiplied by determinant of M12 matrix plus 4 multiplied by M13 determinant of M13 matrix minus 1 multiplied by determinant of M14 matrix. Let's find the determinant of M11 matrix, M12 matrix, M13 matrix and M14 matrix. So you already know how to get a determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So I am not going to explain each and every steps for the getting determinant of these 3 by 3 matrices. So determinant of M11 matrix equal 4. Then determinant of M12 matrix equal 10. Then determinant of M13 matrix equal minus 13. Determinant of M14 matrix is minus 32. After adding these numbers to our final formula, we got minus 42 as determinant of our 4 by 4 matrix.